So what you can also do is flag out emails. So let's say, for example, you want to flag this email, then you click on the flag email message right here. And then what happens, that email is flagged, meaning it is marked out. So that it is in access. You can go around and flag this email as well. Another thing that you can do is you can select and go for flag and unflag over here as well by clicking on this, or you can go around and see that you can go around and then mark it out as well. So you can go around and mark it out as flagged for tomorrow, or mark it out as complete right here, just like this over here as well. So you can go around, mark it out as complete as well, just like this, instead of flagging this out right here. You can go for next week flag, and then you can clear out the flag as well. Let me just go around and mark this out as next week right here. Once you do once you flag out, what happens is that particular email gets accessible in your to-do list as well. So I'm just going to go around onto my to-do list. So I'm opening up the to-do list right here, and you can see that I'm in my to-do list right here. Let me just go around and close this. And now what you can do is you can see all your flagged emails right here on the to-do list. So over here, you can see that there's the flagged email, and over here, you can see that there's no date flagged emails. And you can see that this email that we flagged got over here, as you can see, like today right here, just like this. So this is how you can go around and flag out emails and then access them out inside of Microsoft To Do. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.